Good morning friends, I am Rajan Prasad and at present you are viewing my channel Photo Creation. In this episode, we are going to learn about the clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. Welcome to a very exciting Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. First, we will see how the clone stamp tool works. Photoshop's clone stamp tool allows you to duplicate any part of an image. The clone stamp tool is useful for duplicating objects or removing a defect in the image. Select the clone stamp tool in the toolbar or use its shortcut S to select it. Now open any photo. I have already opened a photo for you. The process involves setting a sampling point in the image, which will be used as a reference to create a new cloned area and then paste it anywhere as needed. Now hold down the Alt key. You will see that the cursor has changed into a target. Click the point you wish to use as the sampling point, as I am doing here. This will be used as the reference point for cloning. Click and drag the mouse where you want the cloned image to appear. As you draw, you can see that a cross appears in the original image, while a corresponding circle appears where you are drawing. Inside this circle, notice an overlay is giving a preview of the cloning area. Do you know that you can clone in any document even if the source is in other document? To show this, I am opening a blank document. Now I am holding the Alt key and clicking on the face of the girl to take a sample. You can see a preview has appeared inside the cursor. Now drag the cursor to the new document. The cursor and preview will disappear temporarily. Do not worry. Just click once and now you can see the preview again. Now click and hold the mouse button and drag in the new document to clone the source. You can see that I am cloning the girl from another document. Now let us check the settings in the tool option bar. Here you will find the opacity slider. You can reduce the opacity and your clone will become transparent accordingly, and this can be used to produce an effect as I am showing you here. After that, you will find the align option. If this option is selected, the new cloned image will be drawn continuously even if you release the mouse button while drawing. I am showing this here. If the align option is deselected, the clone will begin drawing from the same sampling point each time you release the mouse and resume painting as I am showing here. The brush size and shape has tremendous effect on the resulting clone. You can change the size of the brush and softness from the brush preset window in the tool option bar here. You can change the size from this slider and softness from this slider. Now I am showing you the effect of hard and soft brush on cloning. Make sure that the aligned option is deselected. Now I am taking a hard brush and see its effect on cloning. Now I am making this brush soft and see the effect on cloning with soft brush. Not only changing the hardness and softness of the brush, the shape of brush can produce different artistic effect. Let me show you. Make sure that the aligned is selected in the tool option bar. In the brush preset bar, select the brush of desired shape. At present, I am taking this leaf-like brush. And paint with a small brush and see how easily you can create this effect. Now I am taking a grass-like brush and see the interesting effect it is producing. Now I am taking this unusual moon-shaped brush. Now I am painting and you can see the effect. And at last I am going to show you effect produced with a smoke brush. Is it not amazing? There are thousands of brushes. Explore them yourself. Now let us explore the clone source window in the tool option bar. In the tool option bar, click and hold the clone stamp icon. It opens a clone source window. You can use it to scale, rotate the clone to create better match with the size and orientation of the destination or for any other effect. I am now going to show you how to use this. Press Alt and click on the area from where you want to take the sample and clone the girl in the new document. Normally for this I am taking a soft brush. Be sure that the align mode is deselected and clone the girl in the new document. Now in the clone source window, type 75 in the width and height. You will see immediately in preview that the size of the girl is reduced. Now paint with brush again by the side of the first clone. You can see that the girl size has reduced to 75%. Again in clone source window, type 25 in the angle. You will see in preview that the angle of clone has changed. Now paint again in the new document. This time you can see that the clone is rotated in 25-degree angle. During retouching, this facility is extremely useful, which you will see in my upcoming tutorials. Now let us see how pattern stamp tool works. Click and hold on the clone stamp tool and a fly out menu appears, and in it pattern stamp tool is the second tool. Click it to enable. The shortcut of this tool is S. Pattern stamp tool is different from the clone stamp tool. It is used to create a pattern. I am opening a new blank document. Take a soft edge brush and in the tool option bar, select any pattern and click and drag in the blank document as I am doing here. It repeats the pattern and creates a seamless background. This background can be used anywhere in the web page or in any design. Next to opacity in the tool option bar, you can see the align option. Select this to create a seamless pattern. Next to this, there is an option to select impressionist. When you select, it gives it a look of impressionist painting as you are seeing here. And if you like to have blurry and hazy pattern, you can use this option. You can create a portrait background with it. You can also create your own custom pattern. Open any photo. I am taking photo of a flower. Press Ctrl A to select the whole photo. And go to edit menu and click on define pattern. You can give it a name also. Now open the pattern library and here you can see your image now as pattern. You select it and drag. It will repeat as pattern. Try this effect on your own photo. See you in our next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Kindly subscribe and like our video channel for more interesting video tutorials. If you want to get notification about our upcoming tutorials, kindly press the bell icon. See you again in the next tutorial. Goodbye and have a nice day.